This free online AI tool lets you face swap any photo without having to use any software, and this can be done in a matter of few seconds. So let's learn how to do this step by step. In step 1, we will generate a close-up portrait of our beautiful model. In step 2, we will find a target image with which we want to swap face with. In step 3, we will upload both photos into the AI face changer tool to generate final results. So make sure to watch this video till end and let's get started. For our first step, we will be using Leonardo AI to create a beautiful model. Log into Leonardo AI, navigate to fine-tune models, select absolute reality and then click on generate with this model. In the prompt section, paste this prompt and hit generate. Also keep other settings same as you see on the screen. I have provided the prompt in the description, so make sure to check it out. And look at that, our models look stunning. I like this guy, so let's save it by clicking this download icon. Now let's move on to step 2, and that is to find the target face with which we want to swap our model's face. Here I have generated some more images, so I will choose these two guys and download them on my PC. And now for step 3, we will head over to FaceSwapper AI. Once you are on the website, click the image face swap option and upload the photo of our beautiful model that we generated in step 1 and one of the target face that we just downloaded. Once both images are uploaded, simply click start face swapping button. It will take few seconds to process and give us the result. And here it is. Download it, and now let's analyze the change of details in before and after images. First, see the change in overall skin texture. It turned a little dark in swapped image. In original image, however, it was a little brighter. Also note the change in eyebrows and the eyeballs as well as the color of eyes. Another notable change is the makeup of nose, which became a little thinner in the swapped image. And do you also see this change of detail between the upper lip and nose as well? Finally, see the change in lips. They looked heavy in the original image and came out thinner in the swapped image. Also see the lipstick color and the expression, which turned a bit more smiley as compared to the original image. Overall, it did a really great job. Now let's try another example with our second image that we have downloaded. Follow the same procedure, upload the model and the target image and click start face swapping. And wow, in my opinion, this came out even better than the first result. Notice how it removed the dots on skin in before and after image. Also check the shadow on skin that is removed, as well as clear differences can be seen in the eyebrows, eye structure, nose, lips, the skin texture, and even the overall facial expression has changed. And that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really motivates me to create more useful content like this. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video.